Flooding, 3 inches of water in here.
What's up, everybody?
We're back.
So if you've been keeping track of what's been going on in our lives in the past couple of weeks, it's been pretty crazy. We did a community post on YouTube, but if you followed us on any social platform we have, I think we've mentioned most places, our apartment flooded.
Yep.
Yeah, that was not fun.
Yep, so beginning of August is when we celebrate both of our birthdays and our wedding anniversary. In fact, they're all on the same day, so we were kicking off all of the fun of that week. We went out to a fantastic happy hour. A couple hours later, came back to a completely flooded apartment.
Yeah, opened up the door and just stepped right into water. So we did take video and pictures, because you know if something like this happens to you, it's always good to document it in case you have to show somebody later, like insurance, or if you're a renter, show your landlord. So without further ado, here's the clip of what happened.
Flooding. We've got about 3 inches of water in here. The bathroom is about 3 inches of water in the bathroom, as you can see. Trying to mop it all out. But in case somebody can make an insurance claim for lost items. I want to show this amount of flooding in here. This bathroom is 3 inches underwater. I'm going to start mopping it out, but as you can see, it's flooding from the unit above. Coming in this ceiling, coming in light fixtures. Notified the unit above, they said it's the same thing in their unit.
As this was all happening, as we were kind of taking in the wreckage, I don't think either of us really knew what this would mean, what the kind of long-lasting effects would be, but pretty much what it meant is we were stuck out of our place, essentially homeless for 2 weeks. We did stay in Airbnbs and Archie did okay, but it really put our life on hold, including our YouTube life. We've been really missing making videos. It wasn't a break that we planned to take, but getting our place completely renovated and then moving back in, cleaning up, trying to reorganize and just get the basics of life back together have really taken time, but we're so excited to be back to making videos.
We just want to say thank you so much to everybody who reached out to us. We got awesome comments, some really nice words of encouragement and sympathy. I know this is a pretty tough thing, and the nice thing is that we both had each other and we had Archie to get through this. But we just really appreciate all your comments and your nice words for us.
Yeah, we feel very lucky to have made so many incredible friends just over the last year through YouTube. Speaking of YouTube, we are so excited to get back at it. We want to just quickly put up this video just to kind of explain where we've been, but what we're more excited about is where we're going. In the next few days, we'll be uploading a video we're working on. We've been meaning to make it for a few months, and it's our top 10 tips for having a great day at Disneyland. This was our first year having any type of pass to a theme park, and I feel like we really got in there and enjoyed our Disneyland Magic Keys. And so we hope you'll come back in a few days for that video, because I think you're going to enjoy it. It's pretty fun.
So if you've been following our channel, you've been kind of tracking us, keeping in touch with everything we've been doing all along, you'll know that we really haven't been doing this that long. In fact, August 31st is going to be the 1-year anniversary of our channel. We have a really exciting video planned, so stay tuned for that.
Yes, you're not gonna wanna miss it. And after that, it's spooky season. We have some incredible plans for things to do and share in September and October, so you're gonna wanna be around for that. There's plenty of LA Eats coming your way, theme parking, Archie here and there, a couple live streams, but we'll hope you stick around for all of it. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up so we know you're out there, but also make sure to hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss any of the goodness to come. Well, friends, we just want to thank you again for all of your words of kindness and encouragement during this really difficult month in our lives. We are so ready to just move forward into some fun, hopefully less stress. But until we see you here next time, we just want to say cheers!